Hello, viewers and Flintstone Elementary School. This is Malcolm Brewster. I'm here to talk about parental engagement. Is it important? Of course it is. It is very important. I'm here to talk to you about Blooms today. I know we are currently using Class Dojo as an app to communicate with our parents, but Just Blooms is another technology application that you can use, maybe implement individually, or maybe we might even view at implementing this as an entire school. Blooms is a free technology application that allows you to safely communicate with parents about student performance, school events, share media, and instantly contact parents with ease. You can even schedule parent-teacher conferences. Here's a quick video about Blooms.
Meet Melissa. She's an elementary teacher. Parent communications can be a juggling act for her. She needs to read and prepare emails, notes, letters, text messages, schedule conferences, and answer parents' questions. All this on top of lesson planning and managing the classroom. That's why we created Blooms. Blooms is a new mobile and web app that saves teachers time in managing their communications to parents. With Blooms, Melissa can easily connect with parents, and parents feel more involved with their kids' school. Here's how it works. You can sign up for free at blooms.net. Select your school and personalize your classroom. Teachers control who gets invited to the classroom, so all communications are private and secure. Parents join and start getting notifications in real time. Even those who don't sign up for an account will still receive updates through email. With Blooms, Melissa can share class updates, field trip photos, or send reminders for assignment due dates, registration deadlines, and more. Parent-teacher conferences can be scheduled and confirmed in minutes. Plus, easy volunteer and item requests ensure she gets what she needs, when she needs it. Whether she wants to talk to all classroom parents or only to one, Blooms makes it easy to stay in contact, keeping parents informed, involved, and engaged. With Blooms, teachers like Melissa save time and can easily manage everything from one place. Join Blooms now for free.
So that's just a quick video about Blooms. I'm going to show you what the layout is once you sign up. Once you sign up, it takes you on a quick tour of all these wonderful applications that you can have. Even if you have multiple classes like the art teacher, the PE teacher, and the music teacher, and even special education, you can have different groups in which you can contact parents as well. You can watch a quick tour of how to schedule parent-teacher conferences and make sure you have different time slots available for parents. You can try sharing a class moment with your parents as well. You can also view about how to request volunteers as well as requesting items that you might need. I know Kleenex is a hot item up for discussion. And also try creating a demo class. These are quick videos, 1 to 2 minutes, that you can explore Blooms. So I ask you, just take 1 to 2 minutes to explore Blooms and see if you like it or not and want to implement it. If you have any questions, please leave your questions and comments at the end of this YouTube video. And thank you very much.